Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. So today we will see a shell script to renew SSL certificate. So as you know, SSL certificates are essential for securing websites and ensuring encrypted communication between servers and clients. But manually renewing SSL certificates can be pretty much time consuming and it's prone to human error. So we will try to automate this process, which will streamline the certificate management and reduces the risk of expiration related outages, and it will also ensures continuous security for your web infrastructure. So first, let's see the prerequisites. First, you should have an AWS account with Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance up and running. Then you should have a basic knowledge of shell scripting. So let's move on with the practical. Our first step is install Certbot on Ubuntu. So first we will update the system packages. For that command is sudo apt update. Now after updating the packages, let's install the Certbot. Certbot is a free and open source tool for automating the process of obtaining and renewing SSL or TLS certificates. So let's install it. Yes. Now after installing the Certbot, our next step is create a file in Ubuntu. So let's create a file using the nano command to write our shell script. So let's copy this command and paste it. Here we will create a SSL.sh file. Now our next step is write a shell script for SSL certificate renewal. This is the script. Let's copy it, paste it. So this script, as always, starts with the shebang line, which is bin bash, which indicates that the script should be executed using the bash shell. Then the next section is define domain and email variables. Here we will specify the domain, which is practice.cert.tech, which tells which SSL certificate is issued, and email address for receiving the notification from Letsencrypt. Then next is define the path to the Letsencrypt script. This will define the path to the Certbot executable, which is user bin Certbot. Then next we will define the path to the SSL certificate. So this is our certificate path. And next we will define the path to the certificate renewal log file. Which is var log certbot renewal.log. Then check if the certificate needs a renewal. This will check the certificate renewal. If the certificate needs it by performing the dry run operation, this will simulate the renewal process without making any changes, and the output is logged to the log file. And the if statement here checks the result of the dry run, and if it fails, which returns a non-zero exit status, the script proceeds to renew the certificate. The next section is certificate needs renewal. Then it will execute the renewal. It will log that the certificate needs renewal. The next section is execute certificate renewal. This will execute the actual certificate renewal with the renew command right here. Then non-interactive runs the command in a non-interactive mode, which is suitable for automation. Then email here. This specifies the email address for notification. The next section is check if renewal was successful. It will check the exit status of the renew command, and if 0, which is the success, then logs that the renewal was successful. Then next section will restart the web server to apply changes. This will restart our Nginx web server to apply the updated certificate, or else it will print a message certificate renewal for domain failed. Then certificate doesn't need renewal section. Last, if there is no need for renewal, if the dry run succeeds, then it will log that no renewal is necessary. Let's save the file. Press Ctrl plus X, then Y, hit enter. And after writing the shell script, you will make the file executable. So let's change the file permission to make it executable. For that, we will use the chmod plus X command. This will make our file executable. Then our next step is run the script. So we will run the script using the sudo dot slash /ssl.sh command. We got the red line. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Sorry about that, guys. Now let's save the file. Now let's again run the script. So our script is executed successfully. So let's verify if certificate is renewed or not. So for that, we get the var log certbot renewal.log file. So let's copy this command and paste it. So as you can see, there is no simulated renewals are attempted because certificate for practice cert.date is up to date. So for that, no renewal is needed. First, it will check if the certificate is valid or not, and if it doesn't require the renewal at this time, then it will not renew it. So today, we have seen how to automate the SSL certificate renewal using the shell script, and automating the SSL certificate renewal process is essential for maintaining the security and reliability of websites. And by implementing the steps which we have seen today, this will help the website administrator. They can ensure that the SSL certificates are always up to date without manual intervention, which can cause the error. And this is not only enhance the security but also minimizes the risk of service disruption due to the expired certificate. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you.